In this video, I'll show you how to run Stable Diffusion 3.5 on your MacBook using a powerful and easy-to-use tool called ComfyUI. First, we need to download ComfyUI. It's a flexible and powerful interface for running Stable Diffusion locally. Once downloaded and installed, you can open it from Applications. As you see, I have already downloaded Stable Diffusion, so that's why it's showing. But you can download too from Hugging Face. You need to download this file, since it includes clips. After downloading, paste it in the checkpoint folder in ComfyUI directory. This is setup I use for using Stable Diffusion 3.5. It is very basic setup. You can change image size and positive and negative prompts. You can increase step size for better results. I go with 10 for shorter time.
It took 700 seconds on MacBook to generate this image.